Hey y'all, it's Leanne with My Diary of Us, and today I'm going to show you how to take this delicious slow cooker Cajun barbecue chicken and turn it into 3 easy weeknight meals that the whole family will love. Let's get started. First up, we're going to make our barbecue sauce using a base of Tony Chachere's burger marinade, which might sound a little odd to you, but trust me, it adds such delicious flavor to this Cajun barbecue sauce. From that base, we're just going to add in some extra spices, including Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, of course. We're going to give it a good whisk. We're going to add in chicken thighs and chicken breast here. You can choose one or the other. It's up to you. Set your slow cooker, and just like that, your chicken is nice and tender and delicious. Just look at that. You're going to shred it right up so it's ready to use all week long when you are. The first idea I have for you is a Cajun barbecue chicken salad. You got all those fresh, yummy vegetables, that delicious pulled chicken, and we're going to top it with Tony Chachere's ranch dressing, and oh my God, it's so good, y'all. My second idea is tacos. We're going to have barbecue chicken tacos here. We're going to top it with pico de gallo, some avocado, a little bit of cilantro, and you have dinner again another night of the week. So easy, so delicious. The last idea I have for you is a Cajun chicken barbecue sandwich. We're going to do a little bit of coleslaw with that, and I just mixed some ranch dressing with a coleslaw mix to make it super easy. Just top that on top of that meat, and look how good this is, guys. I hope you will try these 3 easy weeknight meals. Cook once, eat 3 times, and enjoy.